SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to delete message shortcuts on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has a feature called text replacement that allows you to create text message shortcuts that make typing long phrases a little easier. But if you set up a text message shortcut that's become problematic, or if someone created a text message shortcut on your phone as a joke, then you have the option to delete it. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option. You can then scroll down again and select Keyboard from this menu, and then you just need to tap the text replacement option at the top of the screen. Here you can just find the text replacement that you would like to get rid of, and then you can swipe to the left on it and choose the Delete option. That's going to remove that text message shortcut from your phone. So now when you type the phrase that was there to enter the text replacement phrase, then it's no longer going to enter that phrase.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.